Hi there, I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you today about this phone car mount by VICSEED. We have been using this for the last few months and it's worked out really well. It's a convenient and versatile solution for keeping your smartphone secure while driving. The mount features a strong magnet that securely holds your phone in place, ensuring it won't fall off even on bumpy roads. It's also known for its reliability and durability, so it will stay in place throughout your whole journey. And one of our favorite features is the sleek and compact design, so it won't clutter your car's interior. I also really like the soft texture of the clamp part. It holds really well, but it hasn't damaged our car's ventilation system in any way. All you do is put the magnet in the back of your phone that comes with the car mount, and then you stick your phone on the magnet on the front here, and it will stay on for you for your entire ride. So it's easy, convenient, durable, and it's worked out really well for us. And that is my point of view.